Welcome back on this glorious summer's day. And what better way to kickstart off our silly season than with some chicken wings. So we will be using our big girl today. Without wasting any more time, let's go light her up. So today we're going to be hitting these wings with 3 different rubs again. Got our Yardbird, touch of cherry, and our white lightning boys night out. So we'll top them up with our white lightning. Gonna do half and half with Yardbird and touch of cherry. And our Yardbird. Thirsty work. Hit him again with your white lightning. Good to go. Now the camera didn't want to film the first half of this, but I was just explaining why I was putting these on a wire rack, and it's literally just for cleanup purposes, and then putting our wings in the tray at the end. All I'm doing here is checking for internal temperatures. Now, chicken wings generally need to be around 74 degrees Celsius and above in the thickest part of your wings and drumsticks, but they can take a bit of a beating, so I don't feel like you have to get them off as soon as they reach 74 degrees Celsius. I think some of mine even reached up to about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Now, you don't have to, but of course I'm going to tell you to, and that's just put some of your favourite barbecue sauce, peri peri, sweet chilli, or even satay, whatever the f you like, straight over the top of your wings. You let that glaze set for 5ish minutes with the lid closed, and I guarantee you they will be some of the best wings you'll ever have. These are a huge hit at gatherings and will definitely not disappoint, so I highly recommend giving them a go. They are so easy and taste delicious. Just look at that f***ing colour. So there we have our chicken wings in the big girl. If you would like to know more in depth on how we light her up, I'll put a link to my first video down below and you can watch it there. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did and would really love to see you all on the next one. Until next time, cheers. Hot. Then with chicken wings. Yeah. Today, Fahrenheit. Live in Australia. Blow out. It's good exercises for your fractured wrist.
There's lots there. There's heaps there. Yeah. But I think it's